Step 1. What is Amazon FBA and FBM? Welcome to Step 1. In this video, you'll learn the key difference between Amazon FBA and FBM. Two fulfillment models you'll need to understand before selling. Amazon offers two main fulfillment methods: FBA, fulfillment by Amazon; FBM, fulfillment by merchant. Amazon sellers can choose between FBA and FBM. Each model affects how you store, ship, and deliver your products to customers. With FBA, Amazon takes care of almost everything. You send your products to their warehouses, and they handle shipping, storage, returns, and even customer support. With FBM, on the other hand, puts you in charge. You store products yourself and ship them directly to your customers. FBA, hands-off, Amazon does the work, faster shipping. FBM, hands-on, you do the work, more control. FBA is more hands-off. FBM gives you more control. Think of FBA as outsourcing, and FBM as doing it all yourself. Imagine you sell water bottles. With FBA, Amazon picks, packs, and ships them. With FBM, you package and mail them from your location. To recap, FBA, Amazon handles the logistics. FBM, you manage everything yourself. Up next, Step 2, key differences between FBA and FBM. Great job, now you understand the basics. In the next step, we'll compare FBA and FBM in more detail so you can choose the right model for your business.